No down payment, 6 years to pay at 0% interest. Walking distance to prestigious schools and multinational offices. Semi-furnished included the French hood, induction cooktop, microwave oven, washer dryer, split type aircon, and many more. It's a hotel type amenities, smart home equipped, and pet friendly. With high-speed elevators, e-vehicle parking, and charging station, perfect for personal use or property investment, which is uptown modern. This project offers studio to 3 bedroom. By the way, I recommended this 2 bedroom with balcony, 92 square meter, keycard access from units to elevator, LEED certified, meaning to say 30% to 50% less cost electricity and water. And also, this is 100% backup power, no outage, even elevators will be work. Price start at 39 million, low monthly payments with annual lump sum, reservation for only 70,000. So what are you waiting for? Reserve now.